My name is Sefadee Mustafa. I'm from South Sudan. Before 2 months, I have back pain. At that time, I'm not able to walk and climb a stair. I want to meet the doctor in my country. They did some investigation and they recommend to refer me to India. I came to India. I met my friend Harsh from airport. He recommended that I will go to BLK-Max Hospital. I came to BLK-Max Hospital.
Mr. Sefadee is very young, 50 years of age, and comes from South Sudan. When he first met me, he was limping and was in excruciating pain in his left leg. He and his wife were worried about spinal surgery as they had the fear of paralysis or bedridden life worse than what they are today. I advised them robotic minimal invasive spinal surgery, following which they gained confidence, and after the procedure, he was able to walk pain-free without any limp within a day after his surgery.
All that pain gone, everything gone. Just I want to appreciate Dr. Puneet, what they did, and may God bless him, and he will give him more courage to help the people who need him.
Now, as all his sutures are removed and he is ready to fly back to his country to be with his family, I wish him all the best and appraise him of healthy back habits to take care of his back in future.